Hello, everybody. It is Daniel WIAFE with Vegas Divorce Pros. I am a awesome document preparation specialist that is licensed to prepare divorce documents, annulments, legal separations in the state of Nevada. We're not attorneys. None of the information on our videos, YouTube channel, website, or any of that shall ever be construed as legal advice. All right. What we do, you guys, is we prepare your divorces. We get it filed at the courthouse and get your divorce finalized quickly, affordably, with a smile on our face, and at a fraction of the cost of an attorney. Okay, of a divorce attorney in Las Vegas. All right. That being said, you guys, I am on my way out. This is December 30th as I record this, and I am going to party and wish 2021 a happy entrance, okay? Because 2020 has been a crazy year for most of us, okay? But I do want to continue answering these questions that we get from a lot of our clients, okay? So the question that we have today, you guys, came from a client earlier this morning, and she stated that she is needing a divorce. She is separated from her husband, and they have both been living with their new partners. They both have kids. Well, they have kids together, and they are now looking for a fast and a clean divorce. All right. How do you do that? Right. And before we answer that question, if you are needing help, you have any questions on a divorce, you need some assistance, any of that, all right, make sure you go to this link right here, www.vegasdivorcepros.com. We'll get you hooked up with a free 15-minute phone consultation. You can go on there, call us, you can text us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we'll get you set up, okay? But that being said, that is actually something that we deal a lot with, okay? Many of the people that come into our office, you guys, they have been separated from their spouse for years or perhaps months. They're in an amicable situation, meaning that they're not fighting each other or trying to, rip each other's throats out, right? And they just want to get a divorce, a nice, clean divorce, okay? He's with his girl and then she's with her guy and, everything is hunky-dory. And they just want a clean and a fast divorce, all right? Now, the key thing to remember, you guys, is the thing that is going to differentiate between whether you have a easier, quicker, more lovely divorce that's cheaper, more affordable versus a long divorce, right? Or expensive divorce, you guys, is the fact that you're both signing the documents, okay? That is the biggest thing that we must address, all right? So the thing is, you guys, if it is amicable, then basically what you're going to do is what's called a joint petition divorce. All right. And I apologize if there's some hiccups or beeps in the background. I just had a couple text messages go through. Usually when I record these videos, I turn it on airplane mode, but I didn't this time. Forgive me. All right. But what's going to happen, you guys, is when you do a joint petition divorce, we're going to start off with a joint petition, right? And then you're going to sign it and notarize it. Your spouse is going to sign it and notarize it. Thumbs up there? Good. Then you're going to need a decree of divorce. This is the document that is signed by the judge, all right? And then you need to put your signatures on there as well, both you and your soon-to-be ex-spouse. Then we're going to need another document, which is called an affidavit of resident witness. And basically what you need to do is have a friend, family member, coworker, somebody that you know that has resided in the state of Nevada for at least 6 months. They're going to sign that affidavit, which basically states that they know for a fact that you have lived here for at least 6 weeks. Okay? A lot of sixes in there, right? Now, that is what the courts down here in Nevada require to pretty much declare your residency, okay? Because you can only file a divorce in the state of Nevada if you're a Nevada resident, okay? Make sense? If it doesn't, ask me in the comments area. And then from there, you guys, if you have kids, you're going to need minor kids. You're going to need to address the visitation, the child support, if any. You're going to need to address the physical custody. Look at me, I'm all twisted on my words. You're going to need to address the physical custody, the legal custody, right? You're going to need to declare who claims the kids on the taxes and how you're going to do all that. Okay. You need to have a parenting plan that is approved by the courts. And then if you're filing out here in Clark County, which is where Las Vegas and Henderson and North Las Vegas is at, you need to take what's called a co-parenting class. Pass it. It usually takes about 2 to 4 hours. You can take that bad boy online. They're going to give you a certificate of completion when you're done with it. Okay. You're going to have to take it. Your spouse is going to have to take it. It costs $39 a piece for you guys to take it. Okay. They're going to give you a certificate of completion. You're going to turn that in with the cover sheet and any other type of additional documents that are needed. You're going to file that at the courthouse. You're going to pay the $299 court filing fee. Usually takes about 2 to 3 weeks. Judge will sign off on the divorce decree and kaput. You're officially divorced. God is good, right? Now, you can do that yourself for free. You can download the documents from the family court website. All right. You still do need to pay the $299 court filing fee. Or better yet, you can get with us, pay us some money, and then we'll do it for you and make sure that your case doesn't get kicked out of the court. Okay. Go to this link right here. Get your free 15-minute phone consultation and decide what you want to do. All right. But what's beautiful, you guys, is look, again, it's December 30th as I record this, and this is probably going to be the last video that I record for 2020. Woo! But as old year ends and we enter into a new year, okay, I feel the need to tell you guys that as you go on into a new year, all right, you don't want to be stuck with old baggage, okay? If you have old baggage that's on your shoulders and is weighing you down from moving forward, you gotta cut the straps off, okay? Like, just cut it, okay? So if you're with your honey, and I know some of y'all that are watching this video, that your boyfriend, your girlfriend was talking to you, they're like, Joe, you need to go get that divorce from Missy because you've been married to her and I don't think that you're really serious about me, right? Because if you're with your new honey, right, they don't want you being married to somebody else. Are you kidding me? And they're serious about you? No, they don't want you being married to that other person. I bet you they're pushing you to get a divorce, aren't they? Right? As they should. Because if you're serious, you guys, okay? If you're serious, you guys, about getting divorced, you guys, or remaining with that person, and sorry, somebody just called me. But if you're serious about getting that divorce, you guys, then, or the marriage, then you need to make sure that you cut the baggage, okay? So that you can move on with life. All right. So that being said, you guys, again, I'm Daniel WIAFE. I'm not trying to cause any trouble. All right. But I hope this helped. If you have any questions, you guys, please feel free to comment on this video or message us, call us, text us, Facebook page. All right. Contact us and we'll be glad to help you. Peace and God bless you guys and Happy New Year.